Come, Foxy, downstairs.
And I put my dressing down. Mum, come down.
You're taking this pillow, are you?
He likes it because we have it because I don't really make it because laying on it tonight.
And make it.
Just make it.
Right, stop. Let Foxy going first. What's that? They made a big tower. Wow. What's going on, Foxy? What do you reckon? Oh, who's on top? Who's on top of the tower? Wow. Let's see. Right, shut the door, you two. Let's see what the cats reckon. Right, open the door then. Open the door. Uh-oh. Naughty kids.
Naughty Kit Kat.
Naughty elves.
No.
Naughty elves. Right. Let's feed your kittens.
Okay.
And then. Whoa! You put your elves in the box.
Morning, it is day 2 of Vlogmas. It's the 2nd of December. We are still stuck in the house waiting for results, and another child has started coughing now as well, which is amazing. But I've got my box of goth number 2. I thought I'd open it. The girls just went through the box and found it for me. I'm sure they will be in a second. Ooh, Folly Fire. I only had Folly Fire lipsticks before. This is a highlighter. Cruelty free and vegan. We love that. Hey, Cheesy. Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's broken. I think it.
Broken.
Oh, it's broken. Oh no, Mummy's highlighter.
Oh no.
Oh, bums. That's really annoying, but it looks like it would have been a nice silvery shimmer had it not been broken. Bum faces. Rubbish. Come here. Who's coughing? You poorly? Are you poorly? This one was poorly for like 3 weeks, so I'm hoping she'll skip this one. You gonna go play your Lego? Right, off you go. Go play your Lego. Be careful of my box.
Okay, don't make anything else. Do you want to see my seahorse?
Yeah, bring it in. Show me. The girls got special advent calendars. Mika got a Playmobil one because this year we're not doing presents every day like we usually do. So Mika got a Lego Friends advent calendar. Let's have a look. Mika got a little snowman with a game controller. Oh wow, Ari. And Ari got a purple metallic seahorse. Ari, what is the theme of your calendar?
Mermaid Playmobil.
Mermaid Playmobil. Go on then, go play, little bums. Have fun. So yeah. I don't know what's going to happen today. It's crap weather as well. It's really cold and it's really rainy. And Aria said when she let the chickens out at 6:30, it was snowing. So we can't even go for a walk or anything. Life in the times of the pepperoni. What are you going to do? Hi, it is another day of nothing happening. I'm sorry. I promise more things will happen. It's just we got our negative PCR result, so that's amazing. We can actually go out and do things. I'm just about to give all the kids a bath. Ben has just gone to the shop. Foxy's here driving his truck through my bedroom. Got more Christmas decorations there that need to go up. Aria's behind me, but she has no pants on because she's getting ready to go in the bath. We've got more stuff out here to go in the loft. That's got to go in the loft. That's got to go somewhere. We've all just had lollies, so they're all sticky. What did you have for dinner?
Fish.
Fish.
And potatoes.
Cod fillets and potatoes, and it was delicious. What are you doing, mister? Let me just make sure their bath is okay. We've decided that we're not actually going to move house at the moment. We have been looking for a house since February of this year. Aria Primrose, go away, you are naked. Yeah, we've been looking for a house.
Mommy.
What?
The house down the road has its Christmas.
I know, I saw.
It's crazy.
One of our neighbours goes insane with their lights. Yeah, we've been looking for a house this February, and we have viewed maybe 10 houses since February. None of them were even close, because we don't hate our house, we love our house, we just need more space. So we've decided that we're gonna do an extension. So that's gonna be fun, with 3 kids working from home and 3 kittens who aren't allowed outside, and chickens. I don't know how it's gonna work. But yeah, we've decided. I'm just out on the toilet if you're wondering where I am. Literally just sitting on the bog. The pinnacle of class, if you will. Right here. Yeah, so we're gonna do an extension. Not a massive one. Since I moved my kitchen table, my dining room table into the kitchen, that has then freed up the dining room. And then the plan is to extend off where the dining room table is now into the garden, so it makes a big L-shaped room. And then what was the dining room will become a playroom, and what is the utility room will become my office. So hopefully everything will be fine, but you never know. So yeah, we've never done an extension before, so I'm a little bit scared. We've done renovations. We renovated this house when I was pregnant with Fox, but I don't know. So I'm gonna give these babies a bath, and then I'll come back and see you in a bit. Fox, who that baby?
Me.
Who did a wee in the bath?
Me.
And then a big trump.
Make chump.
A big chump. Oh, and a burp. Who's naked?
Me.
You doing more wee-wees? It's nearly 9. I bath the kids, and then Ben came back from the shop, and me and Ben and the girls watched the second half of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Me and the girls have been reading the books. We started not this week, just before, like 2 weeks ago. We read the first book. I read them every night. We read like 3 or 4 chapters a night, and then we watched the first film, and then we read The Chamber of Secrets, and we finished that on Thursday. We finished that on Tuesday, and then we started watching the film Wednesday, and then we finished it tonight, and they loved it. So yeah, that's what we've done. And there's no point in filming that because I can't obviously show what we were watching, because then I'll get a copyright for showing Harry Potter. It's really funny because we talk about it quite a lot, and we like ask the girls questions about the books and stuff to make sure they're paying attention, and they really, really love it. And Foxy says, "My watch Harry Potato," and he thinks he's called Harry Potato, which It's the cutest thing ever. I'll try and get him to say it on camera tomorrow. But yeah, for Vlogmas day 2. I promise more exciting things are coming, but at least we're not trapped in the house tomorrow. We can go for a walk or something. Mika's still not 100%, so I'm going to keep them off if she's still the same in the morning. And Aria's still got a bit of a cough, but hers is more asthma based. It's getting closer and closer because I'm so tired and tripod's heavy. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to watch an episode of Grimm, or I'm going to put an episode of Grimm on my phone and probably fall asleep with it on, and then Ben will come up and turn it off in a little while. So yeah, I'll see you later.